What up, tube? Today is Saturday, May 5th, Cinco de Mayo. It's about 7:15 right now. Headed to the shop, getting an early start on everybody. There's already one guy there, so we're already rocking and rolling at the shop. Guys, can't stress it enough. If you're not up by now, you're screwing up. You should already be up and ready to go to the shop. It's game day, guys. Saturday. It's money making day. Why you wouldn't be up at this time already, guys? I do not understand. There's bills to be paid, money to be made, you know? People need haircuts out there. It's Saturday. A lot of people don't work today, so they want haircuts. You know, everybody's got to get with it, guys. Everybody's got to get into this, you know? Today I want to talk about, guys, one of the most important things that you could do for yourself to start gaining more clients at your shop that you work at. And one of the most important things there is, guys, and I stress it to all my new barbers, and I stress it to all my barbers all the time, is greet everybody, guys. Greet everyone that walks in that shop. Even if he's not your customer, when he walks in, you should automatically say, hey, how you doing? How you doing today? You know, like, always greet everyone. Because remember, guys, once in a while, you might not greet that individual, or you might greet him all the time, and someday he's going to need a haircut. And guess what? He's going to look to you because you're the person that always greets him and says, what's up? And says goodbye. You know, everybody should make a point of greeting everybody when they come into the shop. And especially when the shop is busy. If the shop is stacked busy and there's a lot of people and a guy walks in and he looks around and you know, the worst feeling in the world is to get ignored, you know? So the best thing to do is for you to acknowledge that person, you know? Whether it be a hello, how you doing? Even sometimes when I'm really busy, I'll look up at a person and just make eye contact with them. And you make eye contact with them, and right away you're just letting them know that you're acknowledging them and that you know that they're there and that you're helping them out. So, always greet your customers, guys. Remember that, okay? Today we're going to talk about that. Greet everybody. Have a good attitude. I'm going to head with that. I'm heading to the shop right now. It is 7:20 right now. I'm about 10 minutes ahead. We open at 7:30 today. There's already one guy there. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to stop and get some donuts for me and a couple of the boys. And I'm going to head on over there. See you guys in a bit. can't stress, guys, how important it is for you to develop the skill of just greeting somebody. Just greeting, just be nice, you know, just when they walk in, acknowledge them, you know. That's like one of the most important things you could do as a barber, is to be nice, be humble. People will like you more, people will appreciate you more. If you're a snapper, you know, people will not gravitate to you. And you know what, I'm not gonna lie, at my shop sometimes, you know, I'm a serious guy. So at my shop, sometimes I carry that attitude that, you know, I'm kind of a hard ass, but I'm not, you know, like, I'm a nice guy. You know, if you talk to me, I talk to everybody, you know, and I greet everybody, and I think that's the way it should be, you know. When you're a barbershop owner, you have to carry yourself a certain way, you know, and that way people look at you with respect, you know, and that's the way it is. That's the way it is in life. You want to walk around being respected, so you respect people. I treat people the way I want to be treated, and that's the way everybody should be. And greeting people is just so important, guys. So important. I can't stress it to you. When they walk in, acknowledge them. Even if somebody else says hi to them, you know, like, just, how you doing? You know, how you doing today? Good afternoon. You know, good morning. Good morning. Especially, guys, when the shop is busy. If the shop is packed, you know, there's nothing worse than walking into a barbershop and nobody acknowledges you because, you know, the barbershop is so busy. You know, if the barbershop is so busy, then who's supposed to know when you're going to be next? You know, like, it's common sense, guys, you know. It's just one of those, you know, it's one of those, it goes back to one of those things, 10 things that require zero talent. You know what? This is one of them, guys. Is just greeting people, being nice, being humble, being good to the customers, even if they're not your customers. Be nice to them and acknowledge them. And while they're sitting there waiting for their barber, talk to them a little bit. You know, if you're not doing nothing, talk to them. And guess what? Next time that barber's not there or they need a cut, they're gonna come to you. Trust me. All right, that's your tip for the day. So right now it's still kind of early. It's 10 a.m. Just got out of the bank. It's been slam busy at the barbershop. We've been really busy today. But we got 5 guys in there, so we're just gonna handle it. I'm gonna post up some haircuts. I'm gonna get some more haircuts of the whole crew. That was a pretty good video, I think. If you guys watched today's vlog, it was pretty good. It just showed the whole crew working at once. It shows how we all function, and you know, got to keep those customers moving out of there, guys. You know, it's a hair factory. It's a hair factory. That's what it is. You know, your customer comes in, you provide a service, you give them a good clean service so that they want to come back, and that's how it is, guys. And you know, turn them in and turn them out. The name of the game is make as much money as you can, and the way you make them as much money as you can is by being on top of your game. Clean, quick, fast haircuts. You know, that's how you do it, guys. All right, I'm gonna head to the shop, and I'll see if I talk to you guys later. If not, I'm just gonna post up some more stuff, and we'll get back at this tomorrow. About 4 p.m. right now. It's almost died down at the shop. Extremely busy. Thank goodness this day's over. I'm gonna have me a refreshment right here and enjoy my rest of my afternoon before I get to go home.